Oh, he's jumped the lights. And now he's on the pavement. Oh, there's a dickhead cycling on the pavement there. Another one cycling on the pavement. Scum. There's one cycling on the pavement there. One cycling on the pavement. Yeah, there's a dickhead cycling on the pavement. Fucking idiots. There's one there with no lights. Two there with no lights. Oh, he's jumped the lights. And there's another one going the wrong way up a one-way street. Prat. Yep, one cycle on the pavement there. And there we have a pair of morons cycling the wrong way up a one-way street. Oh, he's jumped the lights. Red lights apply to you and all, you know. Another one. Yes, obviously he's going to jump the lights, and he's on the pavement as well. And there's a twat cycling on the pavement. Oh, he's jumped the lights. I wouldn't know.
Oh.
Oh, there's one cycling on the pavement. Fuck's sake. Oh, another one cycling on the pavement. Oh, he's jumped the lights. All the gear and no idea. Oh, he's on the pavement. He's on the phone as well, by the looks of it. What? A couple more with no lights. Seen those two before. Oh, it's a twat cycling on the pavement there. Fucking idiot. And there we have another plonker going the wrong way up a one-way street. Idiot. Fucking hell. What are you doing, you fucking idiot? There's one cycling on the pavement there. Oh, jumping the lights. Arsehole.